everyone, this is Tinyj. I'm back with another video. I'm pretty sure you're probably wondering, didn't I just see you in this same little look? Yeah, you did. But this is a different video. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be talking about the hair that I just got from AliExpress. It's called Queenlike hair. I'm super duper excited. I am going to do a video over how I bleached the knots and how I made my wig, so stay tuned for that. That will be coming at a later date. But for now, I'm just going to talk about what I got, the inches I got, and the curl pattern that I have, and also what all came in the little bag that I got. I'm super excited because I never ordered anything from them, and this is my first time. So shout out to my homegirl who told me about them, and they was super fast. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So first, I want to say that I did order this hair, I believe, on the 27th of April, and today is May the 4th. So yeah, that was super fast, meaning that with all this stuff going on, that was kind of fast for me to get it. And from AliExpress, I'm super impressed with that. So I will be ordering again because of the fast shipping. And then yeah, and this is what it came in. This is a little bag, and it has the name on there or whatever. So I think it's so cute. It would have been really cute if it was like a lavender or like a lilac color, but it's okay because I mean, pink is still pretty too, so I'm not really judging about that, y'all. I'm just joking, but no, not really, because purple's like my favorite color. But I mean, it is what it is. Can't be judgy, so can't be picky, as I should say. So yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, I really like this because I can use this for like travel as well, so that's really cool. So yeah, so before I get started, I do want to let you guys know, before I show you the hair, the inches I got is, because I wanted to do a short bob, so I got a 8-inch frontal. I got a 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch because I wanted to do a short bob. So that's what I got. I'm super excited. Like, ooh, I'm super excited because I don't think I ever, well, I can't say that because I have worn short hair before, but I'm super excited because I never worn a frontal before. So this is gonna be like really new to me. So I'm super excited. I don't know how it's gonna look. I don't even know how it's go. Maybe it's the same process of when I do my, because I make my own wigs, so I'm guessing it's the same thing with that. So I don't know. I'm nervous. I don't know. But anyways, so first thing I'm gonna show you, which was that came out first. So I got an 8-inch closure, so I'm gonna show you guys that first. And I'm super excited about this, y'all just understand. So this is what the closure looks like, and this is how long it is. I'm gonna show you guys. And I don't know if this, I don't think this is transparent slate. I'm still gonna bleach the knots or whatever, but yeah, you guys can see this is what the hair looks like. I'm super duper excited about it. I think it's gonna come out great. So the reason why, because I do want to let you guys know, the reason why I got a frontal is because I want to do middle and side part, and I feel like with a closure sometimes you can't really be versatile with that. So that's the reason why I got a frontal, because I feel like I can be more versatile on like how I want to do my hair, if that makes sense to you guys. So I'm super excited about that. So y'all just don't understand. So I'm so ready to like do it. So the next and so this is the 14-inch. I'm sorry guys, take it back quicker, because I mean I wanted to I didn't want to like, you know, undo it. But this is what the 14-inch is. So this is the 14-inch. And so I'm gonna show you all the lengths together, so you guys can see it or whatever. And this is the 12-inch, because I don't want to get them mixed up, because y'all, I mean, I'm pretty sure I probably can tell if I just put them like side by side. So let me just get them all out, and then I'll show you guys what they all look side by side. And then I'm taking out the 10-inch. So and so this is the 10-inch. So this is the 10, this is the 12, and then this is the 14. So this is how they all look. I'm super duper excited. They are, the width are pretty thick, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, the widths are pretty thick, and I really like it. I'm super excited. I think I just got some makeup on my hair, which, I mean, it's cool. I can wash it, so I'm gonna wash it anyway, so that's not a biggie. So yeah, I'm super duper excited. And so for those 3 bundles in the frontal, my price came out to, I believe, I only paid like $60-some, so saving them coins. So I really hope it comes out really good, because y'all, I'm cheap, and I don't like to spend a lot of money on like hair and stuff, but you know, it is what it is. But if I really like them, I will be shopping with them again. But usually I'm always wearing braids, or I'm wearing my natural hair, so I was like, yeah, let me just get me some hair. I want a bob. So, and it's about to be summer, and I live in Texas, and I don't want to have no long hair in the summertime, but I don't even know if we're gonna have a summer, to be honest. So, but if we did, I didn't want no long bundles, because it gets really hot out here, and so I don't want all that. I don't want all that hair on me. So I would rather have braids, because I can put those up, or I can have my natural hair, which I can put that up, or something short like the length of my hair, because right now I just have like twists so in my hair. So yeah, so I'm super excited. And then they sent a little card in here, and they actually, this is pretty good. So they have where you can make money, you know, get money rewards. So that's really good. They have one where it's I guess the first step is item as described, communication, shipping speed. So I guess they want you to like answer those questions, and then you can share a photo and then a positive comment, and that can, you know, I mean, you can get $5 US dollars, so that's good. Or you can do those same things plus a YouTube video, and then you can earn between $20 to $50. So I mean, hey, why not do it? So I was gonna do a review anyways, because I mean, why not? My video is beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs, so yeah, I was gonna do a video anyways. Before I even read this, I was like, yeah, I want to buy some hair, do a review, talk about it, blah blah. So that's what I'm doing now. And then they gave in there came these little lashes that I'm probably not gonna wear, because this is not my style. But yeah, these little lashes here, they came in there, and then they came these two little headband thingies. So I mean, they're cute. I wouldn't wear these, but I mean, they're cute. I'll probably give them to my daughter or something, but they're really cute. So super excited about that. But I think I'm more excited about the hair in this bag, because this bag is really cute. So yeah, so that is it. I will do a review on this hair after I have made the wig and style it and all that jazzy stuff. So yeah, if you like this video, if you want me to review more hair, just leave me comments down below. Or if you know another vendor that you would like for me to try out, just leave that comment down below and I will go check them out to see, you know, to give them a try, to see, you know, if their hair is what you guys say it is. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. But other than that, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video, and make sure, I believe my next video is gonna be of me like making the wig, so I'm super excited about that video as well. So other than that, that is it. I don't have nothing else to talk about. I guess I will see you guys in my next video, and hopefully it will not be the same look. I'm pretty sure it's probably not. But if it is, I mean, it is what it is. Like, I'm giving y'all these videos, so yes. But I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and yeah, peace out.